What's up guys, today we are looking at this 3-in-1 vertical laptop stand. It's by Klearlook, beginning with a K. It's adjustable ABS notebook, and it says it's compatible with the MacBook, Surface, Galaxy, HP, Dell, Chromebook, and it can support up to 7.3-inch laptops. It's available in black and white. I got the black version here. It comes with instructions. It's in Japanese. Pretty sure vertical laptop stand made in China. It's kind of weird that it's in Japanese. We'll see what language these are in. Oh, so it just has instructions. So it comes with 4 of these Allen bolts. It comes with the tool itself, and that's how you adjust it. You'll slide it on the thing. Oh, it's in English. Thank you so much for your support on us. We strive to provide a variety of products, blah blah blah. Klearlook. Extended warranty, surprise. 12-month extended warranty. Here's the dimensions. You can hold 62 millimeters or 2.44 inches max. Minimum is 11.5 millimeters or 0.45 inches. This reminds me of IKEA. So the dimensions of the actual thing is 150 millimeters in the long length, 5.91 inches. The other width is 130 millimeters or 5.12 inches. The height is 55 millimeters or 2.17 inches. Last page. Oh, so you can have it opened or closed, and you can also put a phone there as well. We'll test that out. Just get rid of this box. Here is the plastic. Let's get some more light in here. Okay. So these are the Allen bolts. This is the device itself. It's made from plastic. I thought it was metal, but it's all plastic. Some styrofoam. Don't need that. Okay, so let's try. So it should go like this. This tool here just pops out. Okay. Just need to line these up. Not that easy. Okay. That's one end. That's 2 in. Make sure they have grips on the inside here and in the middle here. It's kind of nice to see. Okay. Drop that in there. That's one in. That's another one in. Just have these a bit loose. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna video this properly, but I do have a Dell 17. Well, no, this is 15-inch widescreen. 15-inch widescreen. Okay, so roughly like that. Oh, it's kind of mismatched. I'll adjust it, I'll tighten it better. Okay, they're a bit too tight now. Hang on, will I tighten it in the notebook? Yeah, let's give this a go. So put the notebook here. Oh, it actually is decent enough to stand. No, there's a bit of play, hang on. I think it's better to just keep the laptop in. Tighten these. I think the bottom is fine. Still a bit of wiggle room because it's not a... Oh, it's very hard to get this into the shot. So... laptop stands there, fine. You can have your phone there. Not bad. Okay, and you can have it also open. Like so. Or in between here. You'll have to adjust it, but it's not too bad. What I want to try and do is see if it will hold the laptop standing with it open. Let me tighten this. Okay. This is going to be hard to do. Just loosen this. So I want to get this as tight as possible because I wanted to see if it was possible to have this laptop open and using without it falling over. Oh wow, it actually stays put. It's hard to get the angle. So there it is. See this, and it's pretty good. There's a bit of play. It does lean a little bit, but once you find good balance, I think it's good. Yeah, I'm very happy with this. Let's just run through some of the Okay, so 3-in-1 design, adjustable width, stable solid, good protection with silicone pads, wide compatibility. Yeah, so it does its job. I don't know how long it will last because it's plastic. I thought it would be metal, so there'd be a bit of weight on it. But there's silicone grips on the bottom and all in between here. Looks good, yeah. It comes with everything. Alright there, we'll leave it there. If you have any comments or questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.